Hi folks, it's Ron. I'd like to share with you my favorite screwdrivers from Ideal. They are the Twisted Nut and Ratchet Nut family of screwdrivers. The ergonomic handles are designed to fit all the way across the palm of your hand and are much more comfortable than a traditional screwdriver handle. Plus, the thermoplastic grip is impervious to gas, oil, and hydraulic fluids, and the leopard spots are a sweat relief pattern when working in hot environments. The 6 torsion bars built into the handle allow an electrician to apply a lot more torque to fasteners when tightening or loosening a screw or a nut. One of the best features I like is the wire connector wrench built into the end of the handle that quickly allows me to tighten wire connectors when working with a wiring device, providing the electrician with the torque they need to create good electrical connections. If you are not using a wire connector on a wiring device, you are probably needing to create a wire loop to attach the conductor to a device. The accu-loop looping holes featured in the handle allows the electrician to create a perfect wire loop every time. The 35-908 7-in-1 Twisted Nut multi-bit screwdriver has all the bits you will use daily. It includes 1/4 and 3/16" slotted, and number 1 and number 2 Phillip bits, and 1/4 and 5/16" nut drivers built into the shaft of the screwdriver. It all fits snugly into the handle, so you have one tool to carry for all your regular electrical use. So check out the entire line of Ratchet Nut or Twisted Nut screwdrivers from Ideal. They have become my go-to screwdrivers when reaching into my tool bag. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.